Retirement is supposed to be about freedom, not fixing leaky roofs or dealing with the tenants, the toilets, and the trash. If you're a real estate investor approaching retirement, you have options. Options to help you shift from active management to more passive income without taking a tax hit. Let's take a look at how 1031 exchanges and tools like Delaware Statutory Trusts can support a strategic retirement plan. Well, that's easy. They're tired. They don't want to do the work anymore. You make all this money, you've built this net worth for what? To continue working? No. So investors are looking for ways to be more passive. Just think of a DST as like a living or family trust. The trust, let's call it ABC DST, is on title of 123 Main Street. And 123 Main Street, let's say it's a 300-unit apartment building. Well, because you're an investor in ABC DST, really you're a beneficial owner. Being a beneficial owner of a trust that's on title of real property qualifies for a 1031 exchange. That's exactly what a DST is. There is diversification, not only in asset type, but in geographical location, loan terms, cash flow needs. Basically, you really can just create your own mini mutual fund, obviously with the help of a qualified advisor, and give you so much diversity that it minimizes the risk of having all your eggs in one basket. Obviously with a qualified advisor. One of the major benefits of the DST is you get that step up in basis where when you do pass away, everything is transferred to your heirs, 100% tax-free. Another benefit that the DST has for retired investors is these are stable properties. They produce income on a monthly basis. So, it helps continue your lifestyle without all the work that you were doing before. Another benefit for the DST is that they're all professionally managed by real estate professionals that have been in the business for quite some time. And you don't have to deal with the tenants, the toilets, and the trash, which is always a pain in the butt. Well, you can't refinance. You can't renegotiate leases. You cannot have capital calls. And also, it's illiquid. You just can't get out whenever you want. So you need to make sure that you're okay with these risks, because if there is an emergency and you're seeking to go after these proceeds, it's going to be something very difficult to do. Because the DSTs have risk, it's very important to perform due diligence. And a lot of people's eyes roll over in the back of their head when we use the term due diligence. It sounds like a scary thing, and it's not that scary. That's our job. Our job is to help walk you through the process of picking the right DST based on your age, your risk profile, your financial needs. Direct ownership gives you the control to predict the outcome. You can sell when you want. You can keep it as long as you want. You can raise the rents when you want to raise the rents. But then you also have the headaches of dealing with the tenants, the toilets, and the trash. Where in a DST, you're still owning real property. It's still being professionally managed. You're still getting stable income, but you're not dealing with the tenants, the toilets, and the trash. So the choice is this. If you want control, then direct real estate is what you should be doing. But if you're willing to give up control, then you should strongly consider a DST. Whether you're looking to diversify, preserve wealth, or earn passive income, 1031 exchanges can be a powerful part of your retirement strategy. The key is knowing your options and making a plan before you sell. At 1031 Crowdfunding, we offer investors a state-of-the-art online marketplace of alternative investments focused on tax deferral. Our team will walk you through each step of the due diligence process. Our portal allows investors to explore and invest in institutional quality real estate. You can build a custom blend portfolio to evaluate potential returns and optimize your strategy. Our goal is to make the investment experience simple and efficient so that you can invest with confidence. If you found this video helpful and would like more information, register for a free account at 1031crowdfunding.com or give us a call at 844-533-1031.